Hello everyone and welcome to How-FixIT. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace speaker in iPhone 7 Plus. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 7 Plus? A screwdriver set, plastic mediator, tweezers, section cap for removing display, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video I left link where you can buy all necessary tools and replacement parts for iPhone 7 Plus. Turn off the iPhone and remove SIM card tray. Remove two screws near charging port with pintolobe 0.8mm screwdriver. Take a hairdryer and heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cap near home button and pull up the ring. Next, take the plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display from the case of iPhone. On the top of display inside there are two latches that attach to the case, so you need to pull the display down and unstick the display from top. The case of iPhone 7 Plus opens like a book. Now take a tri-wing screwdriver and remove 4 screws on the lower metal panel and 3 screws on the upper metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard and after disconnect 3 display cables. Disconnect 2 antennas and remove them from the speaker housing. Unscrew 2 screws. Unstick the antenna from the speaker housing. Unscrew another 2 screws. Remove the main speaker from the iPhone 7 Plus. In the description under the video I left a link where to buy a new speaker for replacement. Install the speaker in the iPhone case. Fasten 3 screws to the main speaker housing. Glue the antenna to case of speaker and fasten 1 screw on top. Connect 2 antennas to the mainboard. Now you can connect display and check how iPhone works with new speaker. Please note that first 3 display cables are connected and lastly the battery cable. If everything works fine, you can begin to the final stage of iPhone assembly with restoration of water resistance. Remove the adhesive tape from the back cover of iPhone. Now take a cotton swab and medical or isopropyl alcohol and wipe the iPhone back cover from the remains of glue. Now take a waterproof adhesive tape and put it on the iPhone case. Using this adhesive tape, you restore resistance to dust and water. First, connect 3 display cables to mainboard and then connect the battery cable. Install metal panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the back cover. Fasten last 2 screws near charging connector. Install the SIM card and turn on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you and helps repair your iPhone 7 Plus. See you soon on How-FixIT.